Hello viewers, Mohak Mehrotra this side, a legal internal excellence company, and we'll be talking about the Act of God under talks. So the Act of God refers to an unforeseeable event or natural disaster that causes damage or harm to persons or property. In tort law, an Act of God is often considered a defense against liability as a team beyond human control or responsibility. The examples of the same would include earthquakes, hurricanes, flood, lightning strikes, and other phenomena. To successfully claim an act of God defense, the defendant must demonstrate that the event was truly unforeseeable and unavoidable. The burden of proof lies with the defendant to establish that the act of God was the sole cause of the harm or damage. So even if an act of God occurs, the defendant may still be held liable if their negligence contributed to the extent of harm or damage. Insurance policies often include provision regarding act of God, so outlining the coverage or exclusion for losses caused by such events. Act of God defenses may not apply if the defendant could have reasonably foreseen or prevented the harm through proper precautions. The concept is subjective and can vary across jurisdictions, with some legal systems using alternate terms such as force majeure. Overall, the Act of God provides a framework for assessing liability situations where the natural disaster or unforeseeable events can cause harm, allowing for the consideration of mitigating circumstances beyond human control. So here viewers, I'll winding up this video, and if anyone if you doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.